Hey, how you doing? A couple of weeks ago, I reviewed this Scorch Marker Pro that I got. I can't. I think I picked it up at Walmart or maybe Hobby Lobby. This was like somewhere between $14 and $18. I can't exactly remember. Well, I got my shipment that my fiance ordered me wood burning pins from Temu. It was three packs for $9. So we're going to give these a test and compare them and see how they do to see if you get more for your money out of three packs or out of one of these. Let's get to it. Okay, guys. So here is the Scorch Marker Pro pen. It has a brush side and a pen side. These are J Sewing, J Swing, J Sewing wood burning pens. Let's get them open and see what they look like inside. And there you have the three of them. Looks like they only have pen tips. They don't have a brush. So that's a downside. They do come with paperwork that I couldn't read if I wanted to, but I know how this works. So you use it and then, let's see. Before use, please carefully read instructions on the product packaging. Shake product before use and adjust water on the paper. Don't know what water on paper has to do with anything. Use a heat gun to heat the pattern to make it show burn marks. So that's the same. First, we will go with the Scorch Marker Pro just for the reminder. Shake it up. It actually has a little clicker shaker in it like a spray paint can does. S-P. The juices in this one are purple, but they do turn black after they're heated up. I'm not an artist, so don't make fun of my drawing, please. Alright, we'll heat our heat gun up to set to the 700-degree setting. Give it a minute to get on. This will better be better. Boy, that seems to take forever for that to work. I might have to turn the heat up higher. Okay, we'll turn the heat up to the high setting. That did burn, but it didn't really burn as good as it did the last time, I don't think. Let's try one of the Temu markers and see what it does. Ooh, hey, it's yellow and it's already ready to go. You don't have to sit around and tap on it. Okay, now we'll test this on the low heat setting. Oh wow, it's already turning black. So would you look at that? No time at all, and on the lowest heat setting, it's already burned. What do you think? I think I'm gonna go with 3 of these, or 6 of these altogether. 3 packs of these, so 6 of them for $9 is going to be better than one of these for 14 to $16. So right now, in my humble opinion, I believe that Temu wins this battle. But I am going to test just to make sure it's not something wrong with the wood over here. Look at that, already turning black. No time at all. So I will definitely declare Temu the winner. Okay. The plus about the Scorch Marker Pro is it does have a brush built into it that you can brush on. That would be very helpful with like stencils and such. But it takes a lot longer for it to burn, and it don't seem like it burns as good, and it takes a higher temperature setting. The Temu markers take hardly no time to burn. They burn at the lowest heat setting. The downfall to these is they do not have a brush point, and you have to wait on them to be shipped to you, whereas you can go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby and pick this up. But honestly, I think I'll go with the Temu brand from now on. I hope that was helpful to you guys, and I hope you guys have a great night and keep on making sawdust.